Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general monthly reading for the month of July for Aries, and as I said, this is a general reading. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. In this reading we will see the overall energy for the month of July, the challenges or obstacles, actions or advice you have to take, or what advice you have, and what are the strengths and opportunities, how you can deal with the situation, the outcome, and at last we will also take one guiding messages from the angels and ancestors. All right, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Aries. The overall energy for the month of July. Overall energy for the month of July. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, so you are feeling good. First let's take out the card and then I'll interpret it. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's see what are the challenges or obstacles that you might face. Challenges or obstacles you might face. All right, one card flipped, three flipped actually. Okay, what are the challenges and obstacles you might face or deal with during the month of July? Okay, actions for you, action or advice for you. What action you have to take? What is the action or advice we have for you? I don't know, I feel like I should. Okay, this is the star card. I will not show it on the video, but I'll read it out later on. What are the strengths and opportunities you have? The strength and opportunities you have. I feel this wants to come out. Okay, the 9 of Cups and the outcome. All right, and we'll take the angel message at the end. Okay, so stay till the end. Now let's see. The overall energy is like you are feeling good, you are feeling fulfilled in at your finances, you are feeling good, you are feeling content, basically at peace. And overall energy for the month of July is maybe during the month you might feel like, okay, fine, I have whatever is required, like whatever you have been looking for to have in your life, you have basically everything and you are at peace with whatever you have. It's a very good sign, it's a very positive energy. And also I feel for some of you, you are going in your spiritual path, you are kind of working so that you can be at your spiritual level. You are looking, it's like it happens automatically, and you started getting more spiritual, trusting the universe, trusting the higher source, higher higher realms, and that the energies are working for your own good. For some of you, I also feel, for very specific of you, it may be that you might also start a new phase of your life. Maybe if you are planning to conceive, for some of you I feel that there is a very positive chance that you will get the good news and you will be very happy, that you have what you were looking for. The obstacles for you or the challenges are, I see you are not making the best utilization of the resources you have. You are, you want to take action, but it's in your mind, but you're not actually taking action. That is where the stuck energy is, I'm feeling, because the magician is like, you have everything, you know what you have to do to get what you want, but you're not taking any action towards it. So the what you have to do is take action so that you can get what you are actually looking for. Okay, the action, the advice here is the star card, as I said. So the star is basically like giving that it's a rising thing, like you need to work on your goal so that you can get it. So it's like a moving, a positive card basically, which is also helping you to move ahead in your life. So you need to take action. For some of you, I also see you are balancing things. It's again I also see it's an action card, so you are basically moving ahead and taking action where the obstacle was that you are not taking action, right? So advice and action from your end is advice for you and action from your end is to work towards your goal, okay? And I also see for some of you, you will balance things. You are trying to balance thing, and if not, you need to balance the thing. Maybe your work life and personal life you need to work on so that everything works out in the best possible way, okay? Now the strength and opportunities is at your emotional level you are feeling content, you are feeling happy, like the overall energy, right? Whatever you have, even in your finances, in your emotional life, it's Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. So you have everything which is, making you feel fulfilled, satisfied, content. It's like a very good positive energy that okay, I have everything. For some of you, maybe for very few of you, there are chances that you need to focus on your health. I also see that maybe you're not taking care of your health and too much focused on celebrating and basically not concerned about your health. Here is what I say, okay? So you need to take care of it and you're feeling good, and that is your strength, that you need to feel happy so that you can work in a much better way, right? So that is a very good card. So this is your strength, that you have everything, and now whatever is required to work on, you will be happily moving ahead to achieve that. The outcome is Six of Pentacles, so you need to create balance. So when you're moving ahead in your life and working towards what you want, sometimes you may ignore your emotional well-being, okay? So that is what you should not do. You have to work so that towards your emotional needs also, all right, instead of only focusing on the finances growth. For some of you, I also see, if you have this habit of keeping things to yourself, you need to learn to share it, okay? So maybe you need to also indulge in some charity or some donation kind of activity, because sometimes when we serve others, we help others, it gives us a different level of peace, a different level of happiness, right? So try to do that, and you will see how it will make you feel good at an emotional level, okay? Maybe a small donation, a small charity will be really helpful for you to make you feel uh, more positive and happy, okay? Now let's see what is the message from the angels. It's a Spirit Fox. Trust your talent in changing times. So you believe that you need to believe that everything will not be the same, okay? If you are going through a tough time, things will work out in your favor, okay? So you need to trust on what you are good at. You need to understand, this is like for the Magician card, that you have everything you need. So what if you are thinking that you do not have the particular resource so that you can work towards your goal? No, it's in your mind. Just try to analyze things at a deeper level and you will know that you have everything. Trust your talents, trust your own skills, trust yourself, and work towards your goal, and definitely you will get, then with every single step you will get more clarity for the next step, okay? So that is how it is. So that's the reading, Aries. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.